Myself RESHMA. I'm first year student of AIDS branch, and we are gonna see about the innovation and design thinking workshop. And the proposed product name is Essential, and product present name is sunglasses. And our startup company name is Vision Cool. Empathizing stage. Here there are some of the requirements and feeling about the products as set by the customers during the empathizing activity. First point is self-cleaning technology, and second is UV intensity detection and micro biometric sensors. Next, defining stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of the customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Like existing product name is sunglasses and futuristic product name is sunshield. Then EDR stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Polarized lenses, reduce glare from the reflective surface like water and roads, improving visuality and comfort. UV protection, blocks harmful UV rays to protect the eyes from the long-term damage. An integrated camera captures photos or videos from the user's perspective. And fashion customization, offer customizable frames and links in various colors and patterns for personalized styles. And here the prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advisor draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. It consists of glass and color adjustable and camera, sensor and UV protecting glass. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. And thank you.